Yeah, he'll laugh.
Anybody see the
Bill. So what?
splice water?
Bill, he gives me a corn
I see
side.
that.
He gives me a corn side with deepest sympathy.
He didn't say for you or him.
Me and Dick, it's a Dick. Oh, God, Dick.
Yellow. Was out here
Oh,
yesterday.
that's
Was
pretty.
out on that table yesterday.
That's pretty, but they're only yellow. How come they're not made out of gold?
Never see again.
Said so. Give me this.
If she didn't complain, you wouldn't know.
Do you have something to say, Dad?
Huh?
Say something?
Oh.
No, you don't. You haven't. Not with that damn thing. I'm sorry. No, boy.
Hey,
Pretty.
you know where the splice water went? It was on the picnic table last night. We got there were 3 beans on there.
Yeah.
They got hung in here.